Kick.
Alright guys, so where we're at, so my weight is at 160.4. So I have lost 0.4 pounds this week, which is not as much as I have been. I've been losing probably about a pound a week. So it's kind of slowing down a little bit, but I'm okay with that because this next week I'm going to start implementing in a little bit of fasted cardio. So I'm going to be doing that 3 days a week, and I'm assuming from that my weight is going to start dropping a little bit quicker. So I'm really wanting to see the 150 mark. I'm getting excited to get to that point. So my body fat is also down again. So right now I'm sitting at 24.5, which is normal for a female. So I'm right where I'm supposed to be, but obviously we're going to try and cut that as much as possible. I am down 0.8 in my body fat, so that's pretty neat. One thing that my scale does not measure that I'm going to go ahead and implement in is my waist measurement. So right now I'm going to do a starting point at 29 inches is where the smallest part of my waist is at now. The reason why I want to start tracking that is because, or going into the future of doing fasted cardio and whatnot, I will be wearing a waist trainer and a wrap and everything like that to kind of taper my waist in. So I do want to see the size difference that I do get off of my waist. Right now I'm holding about 51.8 of water. So that's pretty normal. I'm drinking a gallon a day right now. So it makes sense for me to be holding quite a bit of water. But this is actually a good number. So even though it seems high, this is good for the amount of water that someone should be holding. So it means that my body is doing what it's supposed to be doing by me drinking water and it flushing it out in the proper way. So right now it seems like everything's pretty much on track. But as you can see, my upper body is kind of starting to come in. I'm getting a little bit of definition in my shoulders again. So yeah, all in all, it has been pretty good. So I'm going to start tracking these numbers a little bit more closely from here on out because we are getting closer and closer to the 8-week mark. So really the 10th week and the 9th week, I'm just looking at a baseline of these numbers because 8 weeks is where we're really gonna kick it in. so I know that this may be really, really weird to blend up strawberries and drink them, but I honestly just got so freaking sick of buying all these strawberries and them going bad in a matter of like a day or two. So I decided to get a 4-pound bag of frozen strawberries, and I was just gonna blend them and drink them, which I'm not mad about because eventually I'm gonna go ahead and get a greens product to add into my diet. So just like a powdered greens, and a lot of the times they have them in chocolate flavor, so I can do chocolate and strawberries together. So this is just a switch that we're making for now. Okay, so now that we have had breakfast and we're all good to go, we are about to go do a little bit of shopping. So first things first, we have to go get some more Nuts and More peanut butter. It's like a nut butter. We got a little thing of it probably about a week and a half ago, and we just wanted to try it and see how it tasted, and both of us ended up like obsessing over it. So that's kind of like our fat for the day, and then also it's really good for like a little dessert at the end of the day. So we had the chocolate chip cookie dough. So we're gonna go to the vitamin shop and go ahead and get a couple more flavors because we definitely want to try out more of them. Also, we're going to go get a pair of shoes for me because I need a new pair of lifting shoes. So I've never worn Vans before, but my boyfriend really loves them, so I'm gonna give them a try. So we're gonna go buy a pair of that for me. That's what we have going today, and I'll bring you guys along with me. It's about to storm. Like hauling ass to the car. Yay.
Look, I got shot.
Oh, I got wet too, but I think it was actually for my tea. Wow. We made it in the nick of time. And to Vitamin Shop we go. We just left the Vitamin Shop with stuff. So the one thing I got was this deal here. So it's the Alani electric tie-dye, which is supposed to be cherry limeade, but we did get 3 different nut butters. So the first one is the classic chocolate chip cookie dough. The second one we got is birthday cake. So I'm obsessed with birthday cake flavored stuff. So I'm really hoping this one's good, because if it's not, I'll be sad. And then the last one we got is salted caramel. And I feel like this one is...
That's more for me.
Yeah. Analyzing. Anyways, we're going to the mall, so see you in a bit. Okay, so we are home and I am about to eat my meal number 2. So I switched around my meal numbers today just because we're working out a little bit earlier than we typically do. So my second meal is 3 ounces of jasmine rice, 4 ounces of chicken, and then about 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces of green beans. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and we're gonna watch some TV, and then we're gonna go ahead and get ready to go to the gym. And today we have an arm day, so I will bring you along with me. See you at the gym.
Freedom, I never had the chance to run. Leave behind the said and done. Figure out what's to come. Reasons, all the bigger things I can't ignore. I'm not getting what I came here for. Gotta get ahead of something more. So I think I found a new way out, way beyond a shadow of doubt. 'Cause I can't breathe, and I guess I could be stronger. to yourself for once.
Alright, you guys, so we are back from the gym. It was a very good arm workout. So now we're going to go ahead and eat our third meal and really just spend some time with each other and enjoy the rest of our Saturday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, please don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already and hit that notification bell so you know whenever I upload a video. And also be sure to like this video as well and follow me on all my social media. I will go ahead and link that down below as always. But thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.